finally on my way. Headed to Ritual. I've got my deviled eggs and my banana breads. I made 2 loaves. I made 1 loaf with chocolate chips and walnuts, and the other one without chocolate chips and walnuts. Because I know some people either have an allergy or don't care for walnuts in there. Yeah, so I made it easy. I made 2. Which means there's leftovers. That's more for me. I can tear up some banana bread. It's so good. And then I made like 2 dozen deviled eggs because yes. I went to Walmart this morning and I am pleased to report that eggs are down to like 15 and some change for the 60 pack, and they have the 60 packs available again. That's still not cheap, okay? That's not a cheap price for eggs, but it is cheaper than what I, was paying before, or was unable to pay because I could not justify spending like almost $50 for 60 eggs. So, yeah. They are coming down in price though, which is such a relief because man, that's just wild. I am out of the house, sans eyebrows. I didn't put any makeup on or anything because I'm running late, of course. I normally don't run late. I'm usually super, super early. But for whatever reason, today I just couldn't seem to quite get it together. Almost got it together, but not quite. And I know I'm forgetting things. I'm sure I'm forgetting things. I don't know what I'm forgetting, but I'm forgetting things. But we'll see. We'll see how things go, and do our best. Yeah. I did bring my laptop and my iPad and all that fun stuff, so at least I'll be able to man the camera and do all that fun junk. And I think I have everything I need to help out with that situation. I hope so. I really hope so. So we'll see. Anyway, on the way. So, woohoo.